random acts of kindness. Hello, all you beautiful souls out there in my social media family. How are you doing today? Man, in today's video, we're gonna be talking about random acts of kindness. And the reason I really wanted to bring this video up today, or this topic up today in this video, is that, man, there's so many times where we go through life and we start to kind of, I don't want to say feel down, but we do start to feel kind of like that blah feeling, you know, where it's like, and I don't want to say stagnant, but just like, we're not happy, but we're not sad. We're just kind of moving along through life, and things are just kind of, they just are what they are. And the best way to get yourself and others in a good mood are random acts of kindness. And so I really want to encourage you today to really start thinking about, throughout your day, what you can do for others. You know, what is there something nice that you can do for someone else? Whether it be, you know, if you have a significant other, maybe, you know, bringing them home flowers, or, you know, bringing home a nice bottle of wine so that you two can just sit there and chill and just have a relaxing, you know, time together. Maybe you're going down the street and you see somebody drop something that's close to you and you can pick it up for them. You know, helping somebody with their groceries, you know, helping an elderly person put their groceries in the car. Whatever it may be, I want to let you know that, you know, throughout this past year, and, you know, you've heard me talk about this before, you know, throughout my healing journey and throughout my spiritual awakening, one of the things that I've really tried to do is, you know, always choose kindness in every situation, regardless of what it may be. And one of the things that I think that I've really come to understand is that little single random act of kindness can completely turn someone's day around. And I know that it's been like that for me. Like when someone does something nice for me and I'm kind of in that blah mode, all of a sudden, like, the rest of my day is just awesome. And so, excuse me. So I really want to encourage you to man, just try, like, once a day, whether it be with a friend, a family member, a coworker, or just some random person on the street, do something nice. Do something nice for them, because I'm telling you, like, I am, the whole thing about all my videos that I make every single day, these are things that I'm sharing with you that have improved my life tremendously. And I mean, have improved my life to such a point where, like, I feel like a kid again. Like, the way that I feel now is so amazing. I'm at a loss for words to describe it. I really can't describe how amazing it feels to be able to go throughout my day and just have, like, this phenomenal inner happiness, this phenomenal inner peace. And one of the ways that I've achieved that is through random acts of kindness, and not just for other people, but for myself as well, right? Because for me, I've kind of been in hermit mode this last year, just kind of, you know, sticking to my own, pulling back my energy, taking back my power. And so that even if that random act of kindness is for myself, I'll do it. And what do I mean by that? I'll take myself out to eat. I'll go to like Whole Foods and buy like some big fat shrimp, and, you know, come back home and make myself, you know, with a bottle of wine, and I'll make myself a nice big fat shrimp, like prawn burrito, and I'll sit there with a bottle of wine and just chow down on my burrito and watch a movie or something like that. And I'll tell you, man, it makes me feel so good. But the random acts of kindness that make me feel really good and that I feel have had the biggest impact on my life are those acts of kindness that I do for other people. And again, like I started saying in the beginning of the video, we never know when that act of kindness is going to completely turn someone's day around. So whatever it may be that you think of that you can do something nice for somebody else, I really want to encourage you to start doing that every single day. And I will tell you, you know, you may not feel it the first time you do it, you may not feel it the second time, but obviously doing something nice for others always makes us feel good, right? But it also makes that other person feel good. And in doing so, that raises your vibration, it raises their vibration, and it gets you to a point where you can really start to see the magic in those acts of kindness that you're doing for other people. And when you do those day by day, just think about how much you're going to be increasing your vibration every day. And when you can start to think about yourself in that kind of a light as a very kind, very loving, very compassionate person, that is the same thing that you start to attract back into your life. So it's extremely important to really understand that the purpose of a random act of kindness isn't just for the other person. It's for you as well. It's for you. It's for you to feel good. It's for you to get out of your head about all of the pain, all of the suffering, regret, remorse. You know, you hear me say this all the time. It's like any of those feelings that are keeping you in a state of suffering or a state of pain or a state of regret or remorse or grief or whatever it may be. When you can start to do one thing that's nice for someone every day that you do something like that for yourself or for someone else is going to build and build and build and build. And it's going to start to bring you, just like it has for me, because I'm no different than anybody else out there, okay? I'm not someone who's more special than you. I'm not someone who's better than you. It's none of that. We're all created equal, and we all have the same opportunities in life, regardless of where we were born or whether we had the silver spoon in our mouth when we were born. We all have the same opportunities, and it's up to us, not somebody else. It's up to us to make that difference in our own lives. And that's one of the biggest understandings that I've really come to kind of to become like just a natural state of being, okay? It's not something that just came to me overnight. It happened through time. And through time of doing these, you know, these random acts of kindness for people every day, started to, like I said earlier, started to build upon each other. And now it's at a point where these random acts, I don't have to think about it. They just come naturally to me. And therefore, and this is the important part, therefore, that happiness that I feel through those random acts of kindness comes naturally to me as well. And that is my biggest wish for all of you out there, is that you start to feel the same happiness, the same joy, the same peace, the same love that I feel for myself. I want you to all feel that for yourself as well. So again, remember, start doing one random act of kindness for somebody out there every day, and you will start to feel all of that same happiness that I'm feeling inside my life right now, and it will start coming naturally to you as well. All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to smash that thumbs up button. And whatever you do, please share this video with somebody who you think might benefit from it, because we never know when the right words from the right person will hit somebody at the right time and help them find their happiness. Until next time, I'm sending you all so much love, and you all have a phenomenal day. Namaste.